ka. Magandang gabi, mga kaibigan. Ayan. With Raymundo. Singer po namin si Raymundo. Ito po ang like and share naman po dyan. Please like and share. There was so in love with you. Medyo, yan po sa Raymundo. You gave me a reason for my being, and I know what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life, and I love the unexisting. And it all began when I met you. Ayan, nakikita nyo si Raymundo. I just know I want to something good, and I'm sure my love for you will do. Your love will light up my world and take all my cares away without anything for me. Yeah. You give me a reason for my being, and I know what I'm feeling. You give me a meaning to my life. Yes, I know the unexisting. And it all began when I met you. Ayup ka. Nakakala ko may umuul eh. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I go beyond existing. And it all began when I met you. When I met you.
Kid!
Wala, masakit daw dibdib ni Mark. Ayan.
Kid!
Wala, bagsak si Mark.
Parang ikaw ang nagmamayari ng lahat ng sawa na loob.
Ay,
Pagmumukha mo ay hindi maipit na. Nakalimutan mo na bang tumawa? E sumasaya na ang puso mo sa lupa.
sa lupa.
Kahit sino pa man ang may katagawa ng iyong pagkabigo, ang isipin na lang na ang buhay kung minsan ay nagbibiro. Nandito kami ang pagkagawang tunay awit sa'yo. Sa lungkot at ligaya, hirap at ginawa
Kami kasama
mo. Sige, magpunta ka!
Yeah! Woo!
Ibig may pinagawa yan. Kung sa labi ay huwag na pag-usapan tayo